So, going to take you through a very simple walking stick. Found myself a nice hardwood stick. I believe cherry from the color. Could be maple as well. Nice, hard, lightweight. And then what we did is we just chucked on an extra piece. Had a little piece of ash. Had, I think, a Rocco, which is a nice little hardwood transition piece. And a nice burl topper. Very simple stick, but adds a nice detail. It's about 4 feet, a little over 4 feet tall. I'm going to show you step by step. Anyone can make this in a couple of days of work, and nice beautiful stick. So stick around. I will show you step by step procedure on how to make one, and hopefully you can make one for yourself. Stay tuned. Little piece of little last project that we had. Nice hardwood, beautiful grain in this, and I'm thinking this would make a nice topper or a handle. We'll do something to it. Let's get the bark off, see what we can work with here. So what we have here is the shaft that we just cleaned off, or the topper. We have a piece of a Rocco. That's going to be the transition between the main stick here, eventually, and the topper, and a beautiful piece of burl. A little bit left over from a past project. So a little bit of Type Bond 2. Let's glue all this together. So very clean looking stick. Got that beautiful topper. The ash handle here. Little Iroko. And a nice maple stick. We're going to keep this one very clean. Just straight stick all the way down to a little 5/8 foot. But this is one clean looking walking stick. Nice handle here for your hand. Let's go ahead and start putting some oil. We're going to do a little bit of teak oil on this. Bring out these colors of the darker burl we have here. I think it's a cedar burl. And the Iroko is going to darken up. And then we're going to see all this grain pop out. So let's go ahead and start that. So like we said, got the stick, so let's oil it all up, see what we're going to look like. Have a little bit of teak oil here. Just going to put it on a little cotton rag, our standard way of doing things. Let that soak into the wood, pop that grain out, and see what we got. So just have a little bit here in a container. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. What a topper. This ash coming out beautifully. Lots of grain popping. And the Iroko darkening up, making a nice transition. Look at that. And the maple stick coming out quite nice. Those two colors are going beautifully. The maple's actually getting darker than the ash, which is very nice. A little more of a brown. Beautiful. Let me finish that up. It's going to take several coats. See what happens to it. And here's a little tip. Take a little 600 wet dry sandpaper. Dip it in your oil. And basically wet sand with it. It's going to create a little slurry here and there. Fill in some pores. But it's also going to leave things extremely smooth. It's like a final polish, but with the oil. I find I do that at least with the portions that you touch with your hands, and it really makes a nice finish. Really drives that deep and leaves a super smooth mirror finish. So we'll keep working that in. All finished up, oiled. Beautiful topper there. Nice hardwood. Only about an inch diameter. Makes a nice lightweight, perfect walking stick. Hope you enjoyed.